Before you handle any hard drive, you must clear yourself of static. The tools you will need is a small Phillips screwdriver and a flathead. You want to begin by removing the battery. On the back of the laptop, you will find there will be 11 screws that will need to be removed before you can open up the laptop. Remove the cover to your RAM. Once opened, you will see a screw that locks down your hard drive. Once opened, you will see a screw that locks your disk drive in place. Go ahead and remove it. And then simply slide your disk drive out. And then you will have two placer screws under the disk drive that you will need to remove. Now this is probably the hardest part, removing the keyboard. You will need two flathead screwdrivers to pry it out. It's going to seem hard, but trust me, it will come up. And then go ahead and remove your keyboard cable to your motherboard. Simply lift up and pull. And do the same for your mouse pad. And your cooling fan. Once the cable is removed, go ahead and unscrew your screws to the motherboard. And then simply lift off the cover. And then on your motherboard, you'll see a cable which goes to your speaker. Go ahead and remove it. And then go ahead and start removing your hard drive set screws. There will be 4 of them. Sorry about that. Now we won't be removing the whole motherboard. It is not needed. We just want to lift it enough to get to the hard drive. And the screws I'm removing will allow you to do that. Remove your fan cable. Should slide out pretty easy. Go ahead and remove your fan. And it should lift up pretty easy. You gotta make sure you get your port out of the case, the ports out of the case though. They like to stick and snag the motherboard. And after that, you will have pretty easy access to the hard drive. Just simply pull backwards and it will release. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Watch how to.